What's the meaning of articulate? Articulate. Articulate.
Articulate. Articulate. The term articulate refers to the ability of a person to express their thoughts and ideas clearly and effectively through spoken or written words. When someone is articulate, they can communicate their message with precision, coherence, and fluency. This results in listeners or readers being able to understand and comprehend the intended message easily. Articulate people are often viewed as persuasive and influential communicators, which can help them excel in personal and professional settings. Therefore, being articulate is an essential skill for effective communication and success in various domains.